Hello dear students, today sequences and series miscellaneous exercise 2. See question number 22nd. If for a GP, that is geometric progression, T3 equal to 1 upon 3, T6 equal to 1 upon 81, find R. So here T3, that is third term of GP, is 1 by 3, and T6, that is sixth term of GP, is 1 upon 81. Find R. So we have to find the common ratio. See the solution for this question. Since Tn formula means nth term of Gp, Tn equal to A into R raised to n minus 1, where n stands number of terms, R is the common ratio, and A stands first term of Gp. Since T3 equal to 1 upon 3, so according to this formula, T3 equal to A into R raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So it is AR square equals 1 upon 3. Let it be equation first. T6 means sixth term of Gp 1 upon 81, and this implies that A into R raised to 6 minus 1, that is AR raised to 5, equals 1 upon 81, and let it be equation number 2. Now dividing equation 2 by equation 1, we get AR raised to 5 upon AR square here equals 1 upon 81 whole divided by 1 upon 3. Now its simplest form here, A going by A, R raised to 5 upon R square becomes R cube. Here it is 1 upon 81 multiplied by 3 upon 1. इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पर 3 upon 1. Now 3 divides 81 and comes 27 here. So it is 1 upon 27. So R cube equal to 1 upon 27. That is R cube equal to 1 upon 3 whole cube. So R equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, value of R is 1 by 3, or you can say value of common ratio of the given GP is 1 upon 3. Now see next one, 23rd question. Find summation R equal to 1 to n 2 by 3 whole raised to R. So here 2 by 3 whole raised to R, this means, see the solution here first. Since summation R equal to 1 to n 2 by 3 whole raised to R means 2 upon 3 whole raised to 1 for R equal to 1. For R equal to 2, 2 upon 3 whole square. For R equal to 3, 2 upon 3 whole cube, and so on. For R equal to n, 2 upon 3 whole raised to n. Means we get a sequence 2 by 3 raised to 1 plus 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 whole cube plus and so on plus 2 by 3 to the power n. And we see that these terms are in GP. They form GP, that is geometric progression. So here first term of GP A equal to 2 upon 3 and R equal to 2 upon 3 whole square upon 2 upon 3 becomes 2 by 3, or you can say T2 upon T1. So T2 upon T1 gives value of R, that is 2 by 3 here, which is less than 1. Now we need to find sum of all terms, means summation means sum of all terms. So we can say SN formula for GP for mod R less than 1. So using the formula A into 1 minus R raised to n upon 1 minus R. And substituting the values of A and R, we get 2 by 3 into 1 minus 2 upon 3 to the power n upon 1 minus R, that is 1 minus 2 upon 3. This is the value of R, here 2 by 3, and this is the value of A, 2 by 3, means same values for A and R. Now its simplest form, here 1 minus 2 upon 3 becomes 1 by 3. So we should write here Sn means summation R equal to 1 to n for this question of 2 by 3 whole raised to n equal to 2 by 3 1 minus 2 upon 3 to the power n upon 1 upon 3. So यहाँ पर 3 going by 3. 3 get cancelled. Only 2 will be remaining here. 2 upon 1, that is 2. So 2 into 1 minus 2 upon 3 to the power n. So this is the value of summation R equal to 1 to n 2 upon 3 whole raised to n. Here it is 2 multiplied by 1 minus 2 upon 3 to the power n. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 24th। तो 24th क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर क्या बता रहा है, देखो बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, बट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन फॉर द कॉलेज एग्जाम्स एज वेल एज फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स। फाइंड k so that k minus 1 k plus 2 are in GP, that is geometric progression. So you know very well, if three numbers are in GP, so first we write here since k minus 1 k plus 2 are in GP, and you know very well square of the middle number is equal to product of first and third, or you can say product of the extreme terms. So here it is square of k equal to k minus 1 into k plus 2. So k square equals here k into k square, and minus k plus 2k becomes plus k, minus 1 into plus 2 becomes minus 2. So it is k square plus k minus 2. Now k square going by k square. So here it is 0 equal to k minus 2. Therefore k equals 2. So this is the value of k, which is very important for the competitive exams as well as for the college exams. तो यहाँ पर इसको हम लोग और भी ये बोल सकते हैं कि if a b c three numbers are in GP, then b square equal to ac, means geometric mean property. You can apply here geometric mean property. We say a g b are in GP, therefore g square equal to ab. So same property applied here, k square equal to k minus 1 into k plus 2. Multiplying these two brackets we get k square plus k minus 2, और यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी k स्क्वायर है तो k स्क्वायर गोइंग बाय k स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया, here it is 0, तो 0 इक्वल टू k माइनस 2, देयरफॉर k इक्वल टू 2। तो वैल्यू ऑफ k यहाँ पर 2 आ जाती है, जो कि यहाँ पर k माइनस 1 k एंड k प्लस 2 के लिए ट्रू है, क्योंकि तब यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 2 माइनस 1 2 एंड 2 प्लस 2, दैट इज 1 2 4। तो 1 2 4 है, तो यहाँ पर 1 इंटू 4 इक्वल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ 2। यू कैन वेरीफाई दैट क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 25th, if for a GP a equal to square of 27 and t7 equal to square of 8, find s8. So here, if for a GP, that is geometric progression, a means first term is square of 27 and seventh term of the GP is square of 8, find sum of 8 terms of the same GP. For the solution, first we write here Tn formula, since Tn means nth term of the GP equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. Therefore, T7 equal to a into r raised to 7 minus 1, that is 6, equal to 8 square. It is already given here, T7 is 8 square. So we write here 8 square. But value of a is also given, square of 27. So substituting the value of a here, we get square of 27 into r raised to 6 equal to 8 square. Now taking square root on both sides, we get, देखो square root of 27 square is 27, square root of r raised to 6 is r cube, and square root of 8 square is 8. So we get 27 into r cube equal to 8. Therefore r cube equal to 8 upon 27. अब यहाँ पर जो 8 अपॉन 27 है, इसको हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 by 3 होल क्यूब। तो r क्यूब इक्वल टू 2 upon 3 होल क्यूब। टेकिंग क्यूब रूट ऑन बोथ साइड्स वी गेट r इक्वल टू 2 by 3, मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ कॉमन रेशियो ऑफ द गिवन जीपी इज 2 upon 3। ये वैल्यू हमें मिल गई, वैल्यू ऑफ r। अब इसके बाद हमें फाइंड करना है S8। हमें फाइंड क्या करना है, S8। सिंस Sn इक्वल्स a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r for mod r is less than 1, क्योंकि जो वैल्यू ऑफ r हमें यहाँ पर मिली है दिस इज लेस देन 1, यहाँ पर लिख सकते हो लेस देन 1। तो यहाँ पर लेस देन 1 है, सो mod r लेस देन 1, यूजिंग दिस फार्मूला फॉर Sn इक्वल टू a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. Therefore S8 equal to square of 27 into 1 minus 2 upon 3 whole raised to 8 upon 1 minus 2 upon 3. But 1 minus 2 upon 3 is 1 by 3. So we get S8 equal to square of 27 into 1 minus 2 by 3 whole raised to 8 entire upon 1/3. But square of 27 is 729 and here 1/3 देखो total का अपान है 1/3 थी, so 3 goes to numerator, that is 729 into 3. ये 3 जो है ऊपर आ गया, यहाँ 3 हो गया, 3/1, that is 3 multiplied by the same bracket here 1 minus 2/3 whole raised to 8. 729 into 3 becomes 2187 into here 1 minus 2/3 whole raised to 8. Therefore, sum of 8 terms means S8 of the given GP or same GP S8 equal to 2187 into 1 minus 2/3 whole raised to 8. So, this is the final answer for question number 25th. So, dear student, आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 तक ही 25 तक क्लोज करते हैं और रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस अगले वीडियोस में अपलोड करेंगे। लेकिन इसके पहले अपने जितने भी क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट किए हैं फर्स्ट चैप्टर से लेकर के अभी तक सभी क्वेश्चंस एक बार रिवाइज करके रखिए, क्योंकि जिससे कोई भी अगर टेस्ट सीरीज सॉल्व करनी है या किसी को टेस्ट सीरीज के क्वेश्चंस चाहिए तो हमें कमेंट करके बता सकते हो। तो कमेंट में अपने डाउट्स भी पूछ सकते हो, कमेंट्स में कोई इंक्वायरी करना है तो कमेंट्स में इंक्वायरीज भी पूछ सकते हो, और कोई भी अदर चैप्टर्स के अगर डाउट्स हैं तो कमेंट करके हमें पूछ सकते हो। आई विल प्रोवाइड योर डाउट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियोस। और अगर कोई फार्मूला में डाउट है तो इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाकर के देखिए, लास्ट में मैंने एक लिंक प्रोवाइड किया है, उस लिंक पर क्लिक करोगे तो फार्मूला लिस्ट ओपन हो जाएगी और वो फार्मूला लिस्ट रिवाइज करने के बाद सभी क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से कर सकते हो। तो डियर स्टूडेंट, इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए देखते रहिए हमारे कमिंग वीडियोस। थैंक यू सो मच।